Your Chevrolet is built to take a lot of punishment. Far beyond anything you will ever give to it. Just how much will it take? Well, Chevrolet engineers put the car through plenty of torture to find out. And here's a special test to prove what this car is made of. Towed along at over 40 miles an hour, the car is released as a ramp smashes against the front wheel with tons of force. And Chevrolet can take it standing up. Of course, you'll never be driving your car under such conditions. But do you realize that even on ordinary roads like this, road bumps actually keep smashing up at the wheels with tons of force? And because these road shocks are unevenly distributed, the frame and body are under constant twisting strains that also represent tons of force. Yes, even in everyday driving, our Chevrolet has to take a lot of punishment from forces like these and from other elements, too. Inside the engine, the precision-built tight-fitting pistons slide up and down millions of times. In a few months of driving, the engine generates enough heat to heat the average house. Yet pistons and valves work perfectly with almost no attention. Whatever the weather, wherever we drive. The engine, brakes, body and frame of all cars are put through a continual drooling torture test. Fortunately, Chevrolet is built right and built to take it. In spite of this punishment, we and our families are aware only of a smooth-running, dependable mechanism that gives us less trouble than almost any other fine mechanism we own. When we drive our motor cars, we have a right to expect the best in comfort, safety, durability, performance, appearance and economy at all times. These are things we want to keep for the life of our cars. To keep fine precision machinery operating at top efficiency. Calls for fine maintenance tools and specialized equipment. Right. The first time, the most popular car on the road today, America's best service. Chevrolet service. Remember, wherever you are or wherever you go, you'll find dependable Chevrolet Super Service close at hand. Your Chevrolet dealer is waiting to serve you and your family now and in the years to come. Let him keep your Chevrolet the way you want it, ready to help you in business, in pleasure, or to see the USA. So make a day today to see the USA and see it in.